You still don't use yellow pages to make money online? Guys, I will show you the most powerful tool today to download thousands of scrapers in seconds. All you need is write the business niche you are looking for, add a location and hit the start button. For example, enter real estate in the search bar. As soon as you complete the search, the extension will open and start downloading all the information you need, such as phone numbers, addresses, and a lot of other details. And that's the only thing you have to do. The software does everything for you, and from my experience, it is the best software available today. You can stop at any point you choose and you will receive unlimited leads. How long do you think you can do it by yourself? Once you click export, you have two options. Once you download the file, open it and you will get the desired result that you could only think of. This software is waiting for you in the link below. Guys, the prices are just ridiculous. The big advantage here is that you only need to pay once for a lifetime subscription. Each subscription describes the amount of desktop that you can work on. I personally use the best value subscription because the result can be much bigger and fast. So if you want to be impressed just like me, hit the link below and start making money.